What are we gonna do today, Jack?
We're gonna open a bulldozer.
This bulldozer? Let's do it. Jackie's gonna rip this one open. He's so excited to get in there. Can you do it? Can you do it? Yeah, we'll do teamwork. Teamwork. Oh, we're gonna do it.
Pull this out.
Pull it out. Here it comes. There it is.
Wow.
Here it goes. Here comes the bulldozer.
Yeah, how will we handle this down?
Push it. Is this a really big bulldozer?
It's not coming down
Oh,
on the ground.
you got it. There it goes. Can you show off the ripper, Jack? How many ripping guys does it have?
1, 2, 3.
3. Can we have a look, Jack? Close look. Wow, 1, 2, 3. Rip up the soil. Dig up that dirt.
Massive.
It's massive.
Yeah.
This is an epic bulldozer.
Yep.
Wow, look at this guy.
We're making a pile.
Look at the tracks. Look at it go past. Real working tracks. Sweet. Scraping.
I was smooth.
Here, you're smoothing a pile?
Yep.
Nice.
They're just packed. See?
What's this guy gonna do, Jack?
He is gonna dig. Where's he gonna?
Where's it gonna go?
Where's the spot that's not hot?
Oh, look at this pile.
That's hard.
Oh, it's too hard to dig in. I think you're doing a good job. Look, a little bit of wet dirt. That's the hard stuff. Go down into the wet part. Stretch. You got it. Right there. Molly May.
I'm going to the side.
All right, take it to the site.
That's a patch.
Tell the kids what you're doing.
I'm mixing.
You're mixing. Uh-oh, we have an owie. All right, Daddy fixed the owie. Whoa, is it coming out the hatch? Tube. Ooh. A pretty cool mixer, Jack. Whoa, that guy went fast. It's our mini dump truck.
So this is where it goes? Where it goes? bigger.
I think he's going to. Beep, 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 beep. What's happening now, Jack? Okay, Jack, you want to say goodbye to the kids?
Nope, not yet.
Not yet. When are you going to say goodbye to the kids? Never?
No, when we're leaving.
When we're leaving? That's when you're going to say goodbye?
Bye, kids. Don't subscribe. See you later. Bye.
Bye, everybody.